Ever find yourself kind of squinting at your laptop screen?
Hmm.
Or maybe wishing you could take your big gaming setup, well, basically anywhere.
Yeah, that feeling is pretty common.
Exactly. So today we're doing a deep dive into pushing those boundaries, looking at what a screen can be. Specifically, we're digging into the ARZOPA 17.3-inch portable monitor. We've looked through the specs, the features,
Hmm.
and there seems to be quite a bit more going on than you might think at first glance.
Right. And our mission here really is to go past just the list of features. We want to pull out the really surprising bits. How can something like this actually improve your day-to-day, whether that's like intense gaming or just getting work done? What makes it genuinely versatile?
Okay, let's start with gaming then. They talk about an immersive gaming experience. It's got this big 17.3-inch display and technically 103% RGB IPS screen. But honestly, what does that really translate to for someone playing a game or even just watching a movie? Does it actually deliver?
That's a great question. And this is where it's interesting. That 103% RGB, it's not just marketing fluff about nice colors. It actually means the monitor shows a wider range of colors. So things look super vibrant, yeah, but also really accurate.
Accurate how? Like true to life?
Exactly. It's the kind of color accuracy you often see on displays for, say, graphic designers or video editors. So surprisingly, it's potentially great not just for amazing looking games, but maybe even for creative work if you're on the move.
No, okay.
And the IPS part, that's all about viewing angles. Means the picture looks good, stays crisp, even if you're looking at it from the side, which is, pretty important if you're sharing the screen, maybe for co-op gaming or showing someone a quick presentation. It really does make the visuals pop.
Right, that makes sense. So it's not just bigger, it's actually a quality screen you can take with you. But let's be honest, most people aren't just gaming 24/7. How does this thing avoid being just a gaming screen? They mention versatile flexibility, something about a built-in stand, and
Yeah.
switching modes.
Yes. And this is key. It's not just an add-on for your console. It's designed to be adaptable. That built-in stand lets you adjust the angle easily. But the cool part is switching between landscape and portrait mode.
Portrait mode, like vertical.
Yeah, think about it. Maybe you're reading a presentation and need to scroll through a long document. Or you're coding and want your editor vertical next to your main laptop screen.
Okay, I can see that being useful.
Right. It means the monitor fits your task, not the other way around. It's about letting you set up your digital space exactly how you need it, wherever you are.
Okay, but all that flexibility doesn't mean much if it's a hassle to connect, right?
Yeah.
The universal compatibility bit sounds good. Type-C, mini HDMI, works with laptops, PCs, phones, even consoles like PS5 and Xbox. But does it really work with everything that easily? They mention full-featured USB ports for phones. What's that about?
Yeah, that's a really important detail, and it's a strength here. A full-featured USB port, usually USB-C just means it can handle video output, not just charging or data. Lots of newer laptops and smartphones have these.
Gotcha.
And having both Type-C and mini HDMI basically covers almost any modern device you'd want to connect. The really neat part, for compatible devices, often just one USB-C cable handles both the video signal and the power.
Oh, nice. Less cable mess.
Exactly. Declutters things instantly, and once you're connected, you unlock those multi-display modes, duplicate, extend, second screen. So you could mirror your laptop screen, sure. Or you could extend your desktop, giving you way more space to work. Like, imagine writing an essay with your research visible on the second screen.
Yeah, that multitasking potential is huge.
Or use it just as a completely separate second display for, I don't know, tool palettes in a design app, or maybe a chat window while you game. It makes your setup way more powerful.
That instant second screen sounds pretty appealing. And after all this tech, the source really highlights the effortless setup. Plug and play, single cable for compatible devices. Is it genuinely that straightforward? No messing with drivers or software?
It really seems to be. And honestly, that's maybe the most surprising part for something this capable. It's pure convenience. You plug it in, it works.
Wow.
No hunting for drivers online, no installing extra apps. It just removes all that initial friction you sometimes get with new tech. It's designed to just work. Get out of your way so you can focus on what you actually want to do or play.
So wrapping this up, it really does seem like a single portable monitor like this ARZOPA can be, well, a genuine powerhouse. It kind of blurs the lines between serious work and immersive fun.
Yeah.
Seems like a really versatile piece of kit.
It certainly aims to be.
Why not?
Which leads to a final thought for you listening. If one device can offer this much flexibility, this kind of visual quality, and this level of ease, how might that change how you think about what makes a complete mobile workstation or even your ideal entertainment setup look like?